What's going on, fellow vendors? Mike here with 720 Vending. Today we are doing another collection here at this mobile home park. This machine, as you can tell, has had a lot of sales in the last couple of weeks. Orange is pretty much low, Monster's pretty much gone. Everything's going to look so much better once I get done with it. Got you all set up here. First I'm going to start out with the Monster. This is a Vendo 475. It originally was a single price machine, but once I got done rewiring it, it's multi-price and credit card. So it definitely bumps the sales. A good way to recycle an old machine. If you guys have interest in that, I have the videos up on my page for those. This location really likes their regular Monster. Don't want to drop what's left of the case. That'd be a bad mess. This machine is 2 cans deep, but for the Monster it only does 1 can deep. But still, it holds almost 500 cans, so I can't complain. Got my patented knee split there. We're gonna go ahead and get some orange loaded up in here. How's your guys' business doing? I appreciate the updates on it when I do get them. Here comes some Sprite. Has kids going back to school affected your sales at some of your locations? Leave a comment down below. I'd be happy to know what's going on. If you are looking to add credit card readers to your machines, great way to do it is I use Cantaloupe. They have been very good to me. Machines have been very reliable. I don't have hardly ever any downtime. I think I've had 2 problems in 3 years and practically 0 outages, unless like Verizon or AT&T is having a problem. And anyway, that's not on their problem, not their fault on that. Down in the description, I have a discount code. Use the code 720Vending at checkout. It will save you $30 per card reader. Definitely always a big help there. Works for their Engage series, their cashless series, as well as their Pulse series for claw machines. Don't forget to subscribe. Be notified when I drop new videos. I very much appreciate the help there. Getting some Coke loaded up. They're starting to go through a lot more soda than they used to at this location. I've had this location for almost 2 years now. Another case of Coke. Making sure everyone's got a good view of it. So each one of these double columns will hold right about 60 cans in each column. The single columns hold about 30, or hold about 40. Another thing of Coke. I took advantage of a great sale this particular week. It was the week just before Labor Day, so they were running a sale, buy 2 get 2 free over at my local grocery store. So definitely going to take the option on that one. More orange going in. Yeah, so I like to if anybody's looking to fix their machines or upgrade their machines, I'm always happy to help lead guidance. This box had a broken can in it, so it was a little soggy. onto the Dr. Pepper. Again, this is a mobile home park, and it happens to be right next to where the bus stop is. So now that school's back in, kids are starting to use the machine just as much, if not a little bit more than they did during the summer, because it's right there next to the bus stop. So no complaints there. Using my cell phone for some extra lighting. Gonna get a case of root beer in here. I did get rid of the Coke Zero. Coke Zero wasn't selling. So again, scout your locations. If they want a particular flavor, great, give it a shot. If it doesn't sell, try something else. Now I got everything restocked here. We're gonna go ahead and that machine looks so much better now. On to the collection. Had a decent stack of change coming out of there. I'll get the lucky quarter put back in the bucket. And then here's the cash where all the good money's at. Machine did $101.25 for the week. $51.65 of that was in credit cards, so not a bad collection. Get it fanned out in the light there for you. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a great day.